Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you one of Canva's most underrated but powerful features, how to record yourself and your screen directly inside Canva. Whether you're creating tutorials, online lessons, or video presentations, this simple trick can instantly make your content look more professional and engaging. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're in your main dashboard, open up any design. It could be a presentation, video project, or even a blank canvas. On the left-hand side, look for the Uploads tab. Normally, that's where you add images, videos, or audio files. But here's the hidden gem. Click on Uploads, and you'll see a button that says Record Yourself. Go ahead and click that. And this is where the magic begins. Canva will open a recording window that lets you capture your webcam, your screen, or both at the same time. This means you can record your face alongside your screen walkthrough. Perfect for tutorials, product demos, or personalized presentations. Before you start, make sure your webcam and microphone are selected and working properly. You'll see a live preview of your camera feed. Take a moment to adjust your position and lighting. Good lighting can make your video look way more polished and professional. Once you're ready, hit the record button. Canva will start capturing your screen and webcam together. Here's a quick tip. Keep a short script or bullet points handy. It'll help you stay organized, speak confidently, and make your delivery smooth. When you're done, just click stop. Canva will automatically process your video and let you preview it. You can trim or re-record any parts you're not happy with. Once you're satisfied, simply add the video to your design or export it for sharing anywhere: YouTube, social media, or your website. And that's it. You've just learned how to record yourself and your screen using Canva, all without needing any extra software. If you found this quick guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and creative hacks that make your workflow faster and your content better. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.